there, welcome to Makeup Munchies and More. Thanks for joining me today. I have a Dollarama haul. It's a collective, it's a big one from a few different shopping trips around the city. If you're a subscriber of mine, you'll have noticed I haven't been on since October. I haven't uploaded anything, and I won't get into it now while I was away. I have uploaded a video explaining the situation. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. My YouTube buddies and old subscribers who have stuck with me and waited for a new video. And also all of the new subscribers. I don't know where you came from. I haven't been posting anything. How did you find me? I really appreciate your viewership. Is that what they call it? In the past few weeks, I've kind of went a little bit wild. I have 3 shopping bags to show you. Nothing is in order. They're all just like a melange of things that I have thrown together just to condense my bags. But with that said, this is what here we go. First of all, for Easter, coloring kit for Easter eggs. These ones have googly eyes, so that's new. I haven't seen those before in the previous years. So I always do something fun for the kids. My mom and everybody else does the traditional red, and then I do something fun. I picked up just a grinder with some pepper. It's made by Heavenly Spices, and I just needed one. It was $2. It's a nice glass shaker, which I can refill later, so that's perfect. Craft-wise, I picked up this Artist Series storage box for $2. It's not that big, and what I'm going to do is open it up. And then I picked up 3 packages of this Crafts large storage containers, and there's 6 in there, 6 for $1.25. And I'm just going to put my sequins and beads and glitter and just stack them up in this little box. And I bought 3 packages of containers, which I will put in there. I've actually started making pocket letters. I haven't sent any or exchanged any. I'm just liking buying paper and putting color combinations together. And now that all that has been done, I'm off looking for stickers to embellish with. So that's been nice and calming, and it's been taking my mind off of things. So that's why I bought that unit. I have a lot of glitter now, beads, things of that nature, and you'll see that probably in this haul, but mostly in my Dollar Tree haul, because I also went a little crazy at Dollar Tree, but that's another video. I love this next thing. It is a tiny cinema light box. Oh, I tried to spell hello, but it's all mixed up. It's $4, made by Home Deco. It takes 4 AA batteries, which is fine. I always have those. And I think I'm going to get 1 each for my niece and nephew for their Easter baskets. So it's like a regular light box. It comes with these little plastic letters. They're see-through, and it has a whole bunch of little emojis as well. I'll show you that. Put in your battery. Hello, everybody. Ooh, you can see it lights up. It's awesome. Oh, and it comes with a whole bunch of letters and little emojis. You can see there. I'll just put that to the side. All my letters fell out. That's awesome. I don't know why I bought this, but I did. It's one of these little light up crystals. It was like, ooh, shiny. You know me. There it is. It just changes colors. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I bought some ribbon. I thought these would be nice to embellish pocket letters. There's 6 colors of glitter ribbon. So I don't know if you can tell the colors from here, but they're really pretty. And some stickers. I picked up these Life's Little Occasion 9-piece. They're kind of 3D-ish. And they're stickers just about crafting. I think everybody's seen these. They've had this for years, this design. And just these pretty little butterflies by Studio 112. There's 18 stickers in there. So that is another bag done. I got this hanging basket. I saw this at Dollarama about 3 weeks ago, and I loved it, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. And I went back and I bought it. Not gonna lie. And it's $3.50. Just love the color. It's so happy. More Easter items. I just picked up these 2 bags. They're $2.50 each for my niece and nephew's Easter baskets. So it's just a little bunny on burlap. And I thought they were really cute. These are cookie cutters by Rama Designs. So they were designed especially for Dollarama. $2. And I don't know about this one because it doesn't look like the picture here, but this thought bubble and the teacup have little slots or slits. And when you bake them, apparently they're supposed to bake so that you can then hang your cookie over your teacup rim. So I don't know how that will work or if it will close up in the baking process, but I thought these were really neat and I thought I would try them because I don't know if you've seen my baking station reorganization. I have a ton of cookie cutters and you know I needed 3 more to stuff in there. I'll leave that video down below if you want to take a look. I found some of the paper pads that everybody's been hauling. I'm trying to find the wildflowers paper stack that I think I saw Tina Kazarian haul. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I think Callie G also hauled it. I am in love with it. I am on the lookout for it. Haven't found it yet. I keep finding the chalkboard pad and I don't like that one. So I actually got the envelopes project stack. I'm sure everybody has seen this. And you can make little envelopes out of it, which is neat. But I don't really need a lot of envelopes. So what I thought I would do is, even though they're perforated, there's a lot of space here, so I can cut them out for pocket letters and pocket letter embellishments. So it's dual purpose for me. I can make envelopes or I can just make pocket letter squares. And I think that will work out really nicely. And they have such nice colors and patterns. Ooh, I love the gold. I mean, you can't really see it on screen, but everybody has seen these in the stores, so you know what they have in them. And then I also found and that was made by DCWV. And also by the same company, we've got these craft project stack tags, which also are great for pocket letters. And I love these tags here. I love the colors, very pretty. And then they've got a whole bunch of, I punched some out so I could see what they were like a whole bunch of different colors. And then we go into different styles. Ooh, oh, that's where those went. Just really pretty tags. And again, pocket letter embellishment, or I can use them as tags. And what I did is I actually punched some of these out and put them together. So these are little envelopes. You just use some glue runner there and close them up, and you can put those in a pocket letter, as you know. This one is pretty neat. This is the shape of it. And what you do is you fold these together and tuck those through the slot. That's pretty cute. That would be nice for jewelry. And then you've got this one. It kind of looks like origami, and you open it up. And voila, oh, that's where I put the tags. I punched out some of the tags. So I thought I would show you really pretty tags. It's raining tags. I've already gotten into these, but these are Kerr's ginger drops. And they're ginger based, and they have ginger tangerine, ginger lemongrass, ginger mango, and ginger green tea and lemon. I can't remember how much they were. I've cut it off. I suspect they were $2, but these are very gingery. If you like ginger, you're going to love these candies. And I actually find that there's enough ginger that it does help to settle my stomach a little bit after I've eaten, and they're really delicious. I really like them. I hope I can find them again. Oh, they had clothes at one of my Dollaramas that I went to, so I picked this up for my niece. It's $3. It's 100% cotton, and it's just a little, oh, it's backwards. Just a little top or a dress. I think she can wear this with shorts or leggings. A little bow, which I've got to, wash and iron. It's just really cute. 100% cotton, like I said, so that was a really nice find, and that was $3. And I found myself a tank top for $1.25. Now this says it's a large. I suspect it's going to be like a belly shirt on me. It just doesn't seem very long. But I like the straps and the frill on the straps here. So that'll be nice under an open denim shirt or a white shirt. Got these cute little guys for Easter. My parents always host Easter and I'm in charge of decorating. So I always have some form of these little chickadees. I love these. I'll put them in flowers. I'll put them in all the different dessert arrangements. I'll toss them in there amongst the eggs. I just love them. And this year they had some really funky ones with glasses. They were so cute, but I found them a little too late. I already bought these and I really don't need any more. But these ones are sitting in a little egg patch. They've got the cute little bow. And I just think these are the most adorable things in the world. Easter's my favorite holiday. And these ones have little caps and they're also sitting amongst the eggs and the plants. So adorable. I love them so much. Okay, this is useful. A plastic drop sheet. I've been doing these little restorations on like photo frames. We have a big mirror in the bathroom that has become dingy with age. So I've been refurbishing the frames with my champagne colored acrylic paint. I've been painting over them and sort of zhuzhing them up a little bit. And now I have to put a sealant on. So I need a drop cloth so that I can take it out in the back and spray it with sealant. What is this? Oh, stickers. More stickers for my pocket letters. I found these 4 paper butterflies. They're really cute. They had 3 bigger ones and these are 4 smaller ones for $1.25. So I really love florals and butterflies go really well with floral patterns. I also bought these double-ended markers. They've got fine line tip and a super tip. Now, is that super fine or is that super thick? I don't know. I'll open it up and see. So they're 18 double-ended markers, so 36 markers in all, and they're water-based, non-toxic. To be honest, I just thought the packaging was really pretty, so picked it up. I've bought some stamps in the past, so maybe I'll use these to color in the stamps. So that's the super fine and that's the fine line. The super big bag is done. Toss that over my shoulder. And my last bag, I'm finally almost done. This I actually have opened already and I've been using them and they work great. So if you need some headphones, maybe I should show you the headphones. These are the ones I picked. They had black, they had red, I think, but I like the white. It's nice and sleek. Now, there was another type like this, but these ones sold me because it says that there's a microphone here. So I assumed that it was like my iPhone earbuds where you could adjust the volume through the mic, but you can't. This is only to pause volume if you're listening to music. Not if you're watching TV. It doesn't do anything at all if you're watching TV. I would have liked if they had a volume adjustment, but they don't. But they fit really nicely. They're soft and they're comfortable around the ear. But let me tell you, they don't isolate any noise, whether coming in or going out. I had my computer on at a reasonable volume and I covered these and I could still hear it. And conversely, I could still hear my neighbors through the walls. I live in a semi-detached and yeah, I could be listening to my TV show through these and I could hear them talking. So if you're buying them for that aspect, the noise isolation or the mic, not really worth it, but they work well. And I've never had anything like this. They look a lot like the Beats, but you know, they're 1/100th of the price. Yeah, I'm happy with these. And we're getting into the home stretch. Another ribbon for pocket letters, presumably. This is $1.25 for 38 millimeters by 2 meters. And it's just multicolored. These look nice for fall and for spring. I don't know why I bought these, except that it was like, ooh, shiny, ooh, pretty. I bought these metallic gravel vials. It's $1.50 for 3. They're just pretty, and I guess I was in the mood for pretty that day. I have no idea what I'm going to use these for. Maybe shaker cards. Picked up these stickers. They're 3D paper stickers for $1.25, and these are little, what are these? Daisies? With the little ladybugs, and they've got glitter on them. I don't know if you can see them. And then everybody's been hauling these wooden embellishments, and I got I thought I got the dragonfly set, but I didn't. I got more butterflies, so we'll see what I do with these. I'll either use them like this, or maybe I'll glitter them with Mod Podge or paint them. The possibilities are endless. Last and least, I bought a candle because I don't have enough candles. This is made by Watson's Candles, Ylang Ylang and Kananga. That's what it is. Again, pretty. They kind of went together. It's shrink wrap, like the Easter egg wraps that you get, and you dip them in hot water and they form to the egg. I think that's what this is because it's definitely not painted on, but it's really pretty and it smells so good. Oh, it smells floral and perfumey, but not enough to give you a headache. I don't know what the throw is on this. I've never bought this type of candle before. They also had another one that has cacti on the front, and that also smelled really fresh. I really liked it, but I didn't get that one. I thought this one was prettier for the spring. I totally forgot to show these as well. It's some sticky jute wrap. These lovely iridescent flowers for shaker cards, of course. You've all seen them. And I love this floral decorative rope with the leaves. So pretty. And also these vase fillers. It's a string of lights. Like there's orbs around the lights and they're different sizes. And also the darker orbs were just vase filler. I think they were $4 and the lights were $3.50. Very pretty, especially when the lights are out in the bathroom. And that was my massive haul. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back here soon. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and ciao for now.